Today I'm going to show you how to add a professional looking photograph to your LinkedIn profile. This is just a quick guide to help you keep your profile picture simple. Now, you don't need a professional camera, you don't need to be a photographer. All you need to do is just take a regular photograph, but just make sure that some key details are included. So I'm going to use my photograph as an example, and if I may say so, this is a good example because it's straight to the point and it's simple. So the first thing you'll see is I'm looking straight into the camera. You can see only my face and a little bit of my neck and shoulders, and my background is very neutral. Now, this basically allows people to see exactly who you are without thinking that you're unprofessional or without thinking that you don't know how to do simple things. So why would they even hire you? So some of my tips is making sure that you just take a medium to high quality photograph where you can see whatever's being featured in the photograph, look directly into the camera and smile. It's as simple as that. Now, if you do want to edit this, you can click on edit. You'll see that this was my original, and I did just zoom that in slightly, and you can just move it about. You can also add filters to this, so, depending on what you sort of want it to look like. And then you can adjust the photograph in here as well, okay? My suggestion really is to just keep it simple, take the photograph, it looks good, and if you want to use frames like the open to work or the hiring, whatever it is, you can go ahead and do that, and then click on apply when you're done. And now you have your profile picture, easy to see, it's neat, it's clean, and it's straight to the point.